Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a joyful watermelon while we learn Spanish. This is a watermelon slice. Slice in Spanish is said RODAJA. We draw a beautiful smiling mouth. Mouth in Spanish is said BOCA. We draw their adorable eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. Very good! Now we paint them in black. Black in Spanish is NEGRO. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say watermelon in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. Come on guys, it's looking very good. How good it looks! I love watermelon. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is VERDE. Now let's draw your seeds. That in Spanish is said PEPITA. Let's see if you know the answer. Watermelon in Spanish is SANDIA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.